I'm Sayaka. こんにちは. I'm the founder of Educating from Japan. Have you ever felt frustrated when you talk to someone? I think we all have. I'm here to help you be a better communicator. I help teachers, parents, business leaders, and younger generations with language and communication by organizing educational events such as youth English camps and teacher training classes. That's because I want to help people communicate with less stress and more fun. Let me share a boy's story that changed my life. Yoshi was a 16-year-old high school student from Japan, and he went to study in the United States as an exchange student. He loved rugby and he loved people. I never knew him in person, but he was going to the Japanese high school I had graduated from. In October 1992, Yoshi was in Louisiana in the United States, heading for an early Halloween party with his teenage friend from the host family. They got to the wrong house, and the house owner had a gun. The man with a gun said to Yoshi, "Freeze!" which means stop. But Yoshi didn't seem to get it. He took a step forward, saying, "We are here for the party." He was shot and killed. He was only 16. There must have been misunderstanding on both sides. That led to a terrible incident and cost the boy's life. When this incident happened, I was a university student. I was shocked and scared. It was a rare thing, but it took me many years before I traveled abroad on my own. Now I think we all make mistakes, but they shouldn't end up in tragedies. So, I work to provide young people with opportunities to learn languages and communication. I also work with other educators and business leaders to run programs both in person and online. What do you have in mind when you speak to someone? Do you communicate with someone to prove you are right and they are wrong? If so, you must have been feeling very stressed. When I speak to someone, I keep two things in mind: to be open-minded and to keep learning. Imagine that you have windows in your mind. If you keep them shut all the time, you are not going to learn new things. If you let it open, you are open to learning things and new possibilities. I ask myself, am I open to learning? This idea works very well for me and my clients. For example, I learn from the camp students. They come to learn English, communication, and leadership. But they are nervous and a bit scared at first. So, I start with welcoming the students and listen to what they love. This way, I can make them feel more relaxed. And at the same time, I can learn from them. They teach me new things such as games, books, anime, music, and sports, their culture. And it's always fun to learn what they love and the way they think. In a way, we are teachers to each other. So let's be open-minded and learn from each other. This way, communication can be less stressful and more fun. What's your story? I'd love to hear your stories. No one can live without other people. Let's get connected and work together in the future. I am super fluent in Japanese, and I have a network of educators and students in Japan. I'm good at facilitating events. I want to do a world-class project with you. Send me a friend request on Facebook, follow my Instagram, Twitter, or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. ありがとう. See you again soon.